So there's going to be a platform that stretches all the way into this multi-function room. Okay, so this is the main entrance. My client, they are changing it. Okay, so right now it's a temporary door. So once you enter, on the left will be the DB cabinet. So this DB cabinet, I'm adding some thickness to the cabinet itself to make it a bit more usable. And once you enter, there's a drop ceiling here. So there's some cove lighting. And at the kitchen side, okay, the cabinet is going to be two sides here, 1 and 2. My client requested to have this wet area tile up, so the cabinet will sit on top and in front. Okay, so this area will be tile up. At the back will be this stove area, a place where she's going to cook. She's having a portable stove. Okay, so there's no need to have a built-in stove on the kitchen top. And over here will be the washing machine and the dryer, so both will be stacked up. So over here, right, there's a small space here that is for the wine fridge. Okay, as you can see, the floor tiles, it goes up all the way to the dining area, because at the dining area there's going to be a custom design dining table. And from the entrance side, this is the wood porcelain tiles. Okay, this is also porcelain tiles, but a bit more pattern and with a bit of the marble green. So it goes like that, okay, and then it goes all the way towards the passageway. So all the bedrooms are in the 1002 by 600 big format tiles. Okay, here my guy's going to sweep the floor soon. Okay, so it's a bit dusty right now. Okay, so at the passageway, there is a drop ceiling. So this drop ceiling actually helps to hide all the aircon trunking, okay, because the blower is here. And from my previous video, you can see that there's this metal bracket or beam underneath the bifold door. Okay, so that is for support of the heavy bifold panel doors. Okay, at the living, there's a false ceiling, cove light. This will be the living area. Right, this is the multi-purpose room. Right, this is a guest room, so master will be there. At the common bathroom, the floor tiles here actually goes all the way in to the common bathroom floor and only this wall. Okay, the rest will be this glossy marble green finish porcelain tiles here and here. And over at the master bathroom, it's the same except that the floor is slightly different. Okay, the floor is the light grey porcelain tiles. So this is also the wood pattern tiles, and all these are the box up for the shampoo niche. Okay, so my carpenter is going to install the carpentry work soon. Okay, hi guys, so it's been a few weeks already, so let me show you what the progress has been for this 4-room resale flat in Punggol. Okay, so once you step in, this area will be the dining. So what has been built up is this DB cabinet. Okay, so for this DB cabinet, there is a small niche to put wallets and whatnots. Okay, there's also a door, you can open up. Okay, a lot of shelvings for shoes. Okay, and not to forget here as well, bottom and the top. Okay, so I extended out this DB cabinet so that it gives deeper depth for more storage or proper storage of shoes. So at the kitchen entrance, because there is this cabinet here, my client opted to have both sides kitchen cabinet, so they also wanted a wine display. So at the side of the cabinet would be this wine display cabinet. This is a fluted glass, and at the bottom there's some more storage. So all this will be just full high cabinets base cabinet, wall mount cabinet, and this niche is just for a conventional oven, right? It's not a built-in. And over here, right, don't waste the space for some extra storage. For the kitchen top and the backsplash will be sintered stone. So same for here and the backing. So at the yard area, okay, the window have been removed, and this will be the fridge. Okay, the cooking will be done outside here, but it's going to be a portable stove, so there's no need to open up a hole for the built-in hob. Okay, but of course on top there's a slim hood. So the color has been kept to very light greyish, just to blend in with the floor tiles. Okay, for the floor tiles, you can see that has got this very nice pattern. Okay, and then in between there's some marble grain. Okay. So this floor tiles continues all the way towards the dining area. Okay, so let's come towards the living area. So at the living area, the TV will be mounted on this feature wall. So there's going to be a platform that stretches all the way into this multi-function room. Okay, so this platform, there is a height here that is higher, so that allows the guests to sit on the platform itself, and then followed by a lower one. Okay, so this lower one, basically you just have to step up and into the balcony. So the construction of the platform will be quite simple. There will be 6 doors. The first front 3 doors will be opened up this way, right, and then the next 3 doors, the recess handle will be at the edge of the wall, so that there won't be any gap or recess handle in the middle. Keep the gap as small as possible. Okay, come to the common bathroom. There's a bomb shelter door. Okay, over here you can see there's a door line here, and then it's a flush fitted door. Okay, there's a flush fitted door here. Just try it out. Okay, they haven't adjusted the hinge. Okay, it slams down quite hard. Okay, it shouldn't be like that, but sometimes because of the window, but if the window is open and there's a lot of wind coming in, the closing will be a bit faster. Okay, just to take note of that. Okay, let's come to the common bedroom. So this common bedroom, once you enter, there's going to be a L-shaped wardrobe. Okay, the bed will be here. My client requested to access the wardrobe both ways. Okay, so here it's going to be a door that she can access her clothing on the other side. So at the master bedroom, there's a TV feature wall that faces the bed. So this mattress is going to be on the platform itself. So you might be wondering why there's the gap here and here. So basically this whole space will be taken up by the mattress. So once the mattress is up, you don't see all this gap anymore. Okay, so what you see is just the space or the walking space around the platform. And so at the headboard side, there's a low headboard that stretches all the way from one end to one end. Then there's a niche for the side table. It's an L-shaped wardrobe. Okay, so let's take a look at the master bathroom. So at the master bathroom, there's going to be a mirror storage with 2 LED strip. Okay, and then suspended vanity cabinet. Okay, so this is going to be the shower area.